win? What?
I didn't say much to him. I didn't have anything to say to him. I was pretty livid. For the last, during the exam week, we went over half-court offense. During this time of the year, half-court wins ball games, not up and down track meets. And I was very disappointed. So I had nothing to say to them. So they knew I was kind of furious. So they came out and some of the team captains and team leaders kind of got themselves together. It was something they had to work out for themselves. I don't think they needed to hear my mouth. And they did well. They did extremely well.
Yeah. How about Boyd coming up? Obviously, Fisher does his thing, and Oden can score, but Boyd and House had a great second half for you.
I'm very pleased with Boyd. You're going to hear a lot about Boyd. Boyd's our best, our highest free throw percentage shooter and our best shooter. Sometimes he gets a little, gets a little nervous sometimes, and if he just comes out of his shell, he's one of the better shooters in Western New York, and hopefully with the latter part of the season, we'll be able to see that. But I wasn't surprised at all. I mean, the kid can light it up. Just a matter of him getting his confidence, and he'll be fine. And
getting that play from House inside, that's got to,
That was welcome.
Yep.
That was welcome. He worked so hard at it. And during the early part of the season, the ball wasn't falling, and he had a great game today. Maybe this will help his confidence in the last push, and hopefully we'll push it all the way through.
And you guys halfway through the Yale Cup right now?
About
just
halfway, about halfway through.
What do you think about the second half? A lot of basketball to come?
A lot of basketball, and I just look at it one game at a time. Try not to look ahead too much. So the next one is South Park, and I guess McKinley. So we're just taking it one game at a time. And I try to tell the kids at this particular time of the year, you have to win. Because if you keep going, you lose, you go home. I collected uniforms. So that's how that goes.
And just how do you feel about the way the team's playing? I mean, obviously a nice result today. Just how do you feel, progress report right now?
I feel pretty good. I feel pretty pleased. We still have a long way to go. But I'm more concerned about us being able to control the boards late in the game, second half. Half-court offense, half-court defense. Because, during the regular season, we might run a little bit press, but once you get to Buff State and those places, that's not going to work. So we're trying to work on some of those rough edges and get ourselves together for the run, as usual.
All right.